Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is the honorable to be presenter in this International Journal Seminar Inspire 2024. Good morning, everyone. In this special occasion, I am Miswah Naila Nafisa as a first author student of Psychology Study Program, Faculty of Psychology and Education, Muhammadiyah University of Sidoarjo. I would like to thank two examiners who have given me an opportunity to present about my research with the title of The Role of Religiosity and Father Attachment on Emotional Intelligence of Student SMAN 1 Wonoayu. And this is what my research has been looking at. The failure of adolescents to control emotional turmoil is caused by a lack of emotional intelligence, so emotional problems arise. Lack of emotional intelligence among adolescents makes them vulnerable to emotional issues. Emotional problems among adolescents in Indonesia and the importance of emotional intelligence in various aspects of youth life. Emotional intelligence contribute to academic performance, social relationship, and personal development. Adolescence is a period full of emotional turmoil, so adolescents are easily influenced by the environment. The impact of unstable emotional change is related to the lack of ability of adolescents to regulate and control emotions. Based on the background that has been outlined, the objective of this research are to know how far the role religiosity and father attachment on emotional intelligence in student of SMAN 1 Wonoayu. This type of research is correlational quantitative research. The sampling technique in this study is stratified random sampling. According to Creswell, quantitative research is an investigation of social problems based on testing a theory consisting of variables measured by numbers and analyzed by statistical products to determine whether the predictive generalization of the theory is true. The correlation approach is research conducted by researchers to determine the relationship between two or more variables without changing or manipulating the available data. Arikunto 20 and 13. According to Nguyen, 20 and 19, stratified random sampling or SRS is a sampling technique that is widely used for approximate query processing. The measuring instrument used is this psychological scale or Likert. Its validity and reliability were tested. The number of samples in the study was determined using the Cauchy-Morgan table with the number n is 10 and 20 and alpha error probability of 5% to get a result of 258 as the minimum number of participants. This research used multiple linear regression to test the research hypothesis. Normality tests used the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. Multiple linear regression was used to test the role of religiosity and father's attachment to emotional intelligence. Before that, research conduct descriptive statistical analysis, which aims to describe the data in the form of mean, minimum, and maximum values and range. Then, the researchers conduct an assumption test consists of normality test, linearity test, heteroscedasticity test, and multicollinearity test. Researchers conduct assumption tests with the help of the IBM SPSS Statistic 29 for Windows program. The result and discussion. The result obtained on the religiosity variable have no significant effect on emotional intelligence. P, more than 0.05, while on father attachment there is a positive impact or there is a significant relationship to emotional intelligence. P, less than 0.05, R square or confidence or determination product test result, the father attachment contribute 88.01% of the fathers in emotional intelligence based on the F test with a value of 0.126 and a significance of P less than 0.001, it was found that paternal attachment has a significant effect on adolescents' emotional intelligence. The higher the paternal attachment, the higher the adolescent emotional intelligence. The result of this analysis support the second hypothesis, which state that there is a positive relationship between father attachment and emotional intelligence. Meanwhile, the first hypothesis studying a relationship between religiosity and emotional intelligence was rejected because religiosity was shown to have no significant influence on emotional intelligence. The theme of the symposium at this international seminar is one of the them about psychological insight in learning. Then the relevance of my research to the symposium is that there is a strong emotional bond between father and child, contributing to student emotional intelligence, supporting harmony and personal happiness. The implication for educational support program is that by identifying emotional intelligence that is partly formed by attachment to fathers, it means that school can consider involving parents, especially fathers, in emotional development program which have the potential to improve students' emotional skills and learning outcomes. This research concludes the paternal attachment has a positive and significant influence on adolescents' emotional intelligence at SMA Negeri 1 Wonoayu, as added by the result of the F-test of 0.126 and significance P less than 0.001. This indicates that stronger paternal attachment is associated with higher emotional intelligence in adolescents. In contrast, religiosity did not have a significant relationship with emotional intelligence, indicating that this normative aspect may not have enough impact on student emotional development. Future research and enrollment. The practical application of this research is that improving the emotional bond between fathers and children can be the focus of intervention in schools. Suggestions for future research are that further research can explore other factors that affect emotional intelligence. Thank you very much to SMA Negeri 1 Wonoayu, the teachers, and all those who have support this research. Okay, thank you very much for your great attention. And the last I say, see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.